just to heat a little bit. So, you see the little one, little overlap, always takes 15 centimeters. The long times you take 10 centimeters. Short ones always 15. When you torch it, be careful you torch everything. Or we torch in 2 times. That's the most simple. So when you torch, you torch it like this. Always try from the middle to the outside. Good this to travel. When you take the second, see, to push it. Not just do this, because otherwise here it's not burned. So you try to push a little bit back. Like this. And then you do. What we want is this. Not typical. We always want it to come out, see? Always you warm up the trout from the middle to the outside, middle to the outside. Always burn them in 2 times. And here, in the beginning, you're gonna have maybe 4 centimeters. It's okay, don't worry. Even if you go to here, it's fine, no problem. But always. So what you have to be careful, the bitumen here, we don't have a little bit of bitumen, not much. On this side, we have a lot of bitumen. I'm going to show you. This is the polyester. You see the fiber? See? So look. You see all this is the bitumen on this side. I'll show you that side. That's it. Here is the fiber. See? So you be careful with the flame. Never touch this one. As you see, that's the only bitumen we have. Here, all the bitumen is here. So we always try to heat this side, never that side. That side is just one time, push, just to warm a little bit up, and then we touch that side. Okay. So also you're going to see our membrane is fire resistant. If you touch it, it's always going to extend by itself. See, look. Even if you burn too much, you see, it's not going to stop fire. It's fire resistant. But what you really have to remember, this size, no flame. Not much, just to warm a little, no flame. Here you see all this bitumen, that's to burn. It's not up.